channel today. Hold up. We're going to lock a gate. I totally forgot to lock. Thank God some cows didn't get out. Yeah. Good thing. So now we're going to check on Rain. I'm going to give you guys an update. So we now just have to hold Sugar because she wasn't growing, but she's alive still. Butterscotch is in this separate pen because he is drinking Sugar's milk. And Rain is the sweetest little chickadee. Look at these. See? And I'm selling him. So, if anybody wants a goat, here's Butterscotch. I'm selling him. I'm not keeping him anymore. And here's little Rain. And you, the awfulest mother ever. Cute little rock. But look at that face. She just goes through the panels, that's why. See, she tries to nurse, won't let her. But then, great mom.